these glasses look a little bit funny. So if I'm looking at the infotainment center, I'm looking here. If I'm looking at the laptop, I'm looking here. If I'm actually looking at the road, I'm looking right here. So ideally, this is where I should be looking for safety. You know, mirror, rear view, which is digital, mirror, which aren't really used because you can't change lanes if there's a car there. The computer takes care of that. Just blinker tap and it'll figure out when it's safe and then it'll go. Problem is, it's great to watch movies on the infotainment screen there. It's great to work on the laptop here. You can't mount the laptop up here because then it gets in the way of the airbags. Or so everyone has told me that they won't make a steering wheel mount for the laptop. I think they're a bunch of negative thinkers. A bunch of negative Nancys. So instead, we have these ridiculous looking sunglasses. The laptop sits in the lap. Driving camera drives. We're gonna go to this. So here's the impossible part. Here's what we're looking at, just a blank open screen, right? But we're looking at it. Right there. And then we just look up. Ta-da! We can work while the car drives down the road and we can still see everything happening on the road. Look at that. Safety first. All right, the car's driving through construction. We're going to do this really quick tutorial here. The additional thing that we use with these glasses, for safety of course, is the amount that you see in front of the display is going to be based on the brightness. So we have the Lunar app for Mac. And then the added benefit is, if you turn the Nreal glasses all the way down in their brightness, and it's nighttime, you'll still be blinded by the glasses. You won't be able to see the road. It's not safe. You need to be able to see the road. So in the Lunar app, we can actually take and adjust the brightness down to almost nothing. So let's see at night. That's it. That last part was the only bit I needed. Goodbye.